What's going on, everybody? Today I'm just doing a little practicing, and I have my phone in front of me trying to record this video, so hopefully I don't shake the camera or anything like that. But this is the face that I'm going to draw, and I'm trying to do it without too much thinking and just draw. So without further ado, as I'm recording this, I'm noticing especially his hair. That's kind of the first thing that stuck out to me. And I'm looking at the shape of his face. He has kind of square jaws. So let me draw the ears. I'm drawing this very loosely. And I'm doing his hair, adding this other ear, putting in where the strands, direction strands of where his hair is going. And this is just a practice sketch, so everything is just very extremely loose. There, I could have made his neck a little thinner, which is what I should have done. But anyway, so I'm starting from his eyebrows. He has kind of thick eyebrows, so I'm just kind of drawing in his eyebrows there. Then I go to the left eyebrow. I'm just going to kind of draw in a nose, get a shape in, and I noticed that his eyes have a bit of a slant, sorta. So I'm just kind of loosely drawing them in. Go to the left eye, loosely draw that one in. And this is what you want to do when you're just practicing. You just want to go loose. You don't want to think too much. You just want to kind of go in, draw what you see, and do this very loosely. You wouldn't necessarily do this when you're in public drawing a character, but when you're practicing, you're not really thinking about everything being so precise so much as it is just feeling loose. And so there we are. The character is drawn. Hope you enjoyed this video. My name is Kevin Bentley. Be sure and like and subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Take care.